Hi everyone, welcome today's video. This is Sonia. Today we are going to see the chapter 8. It is very important chapter. Why it is important? All chapters are important. Why it is especially important? Yeah, it is very especially important because it relevant to our human body, and we are all the human being such as me as a teacher, as a you student, parents, and all human beings that there is a surround towards our earth. So that is why because we human body, our human organs all made by the cells. That is why it is very precious chapter, and all our human body's parts is made up by the cell, and that cell how the work, how it is divided, how the characters sent through one generation to another, that we are going to see in this chapter today. So that is why it is so important. Children, first in previous our video you seen what is the cell and other. Today I am going to ask you about the cell theory. What is the cell theory? Who given it? It is proposed first 1839, Sladen and Schwann. What they said, what they asked about this theory? They told all the body parts is made by the cell. It means all our whole body's function that is made by the all cells, and it is divided. How children? One cell it convert into the many cells because it is divided into the various. That is why it is division holding and unicellular turn into the multicellular organism. Now further today we are going to see the cells parts, various type of parts today we are going to see, and its function also we are going to see, such as nucleus, such as the cytoplasm, such as the Golgi apparatus, such as the endoplasmic reticulum, and various type of the cell parts we are going to see today. So first I start along with the few hard words. What is that? And that is definitely will be helpful to you. So see, first cell membrane. What is the cell membrane? As I in the beginning I told, it is all the parts of the cell. So first cell membrane, this flexible envelope that surround the cell. Second is the nucleus, the central part of the cell. It is called the nucleus. Nucleus that ever present at a center part of the cell. Now further we talk about the cell wall, the out layer of cell, outer layer of cell. It is called the cell wall. Now further we talk about the cytoplasm. What is the cytoplasm? Thick solution that fills each cell. Thick solution, it means that type of the fluid that is thick, that is present into the cytoplasm. Now next, chromosome. What do you mean by the chromosome, children? It is very crucial part of the cell. Why? Because a part of cell that decides character, shape, sex, what will be happen, maybe the male, either the female. So all depend on the chromosomes, and these chromosomes send the different type how the characteristics. Now further we talk the gene. Gene is a very important topic or unit of information. Gene have the information unit. What is the information unit, children? Because it send the various type of the characteristics about the parents to children. Suppose any parent, for example, any parent have the blue eyed, then definitely their children may be the blue eyed. Why, children? Due to the gene. It carries the information along with the chromosomes. So that is why it send the message along with the characters also. So it is very important point, gene. Now further we talk about the prokaryotes. What is the prokaryotes? Don't have an organized nucleus. Prokaryotes, it have the nucleus. Now further we talk about the eukaryotes. eukaryotes. It means the eukaryotic cell. An organism whose cell have the nucleus, that have the nucleus, that is the eukaryotes. Don't have the nucleus, that is the prokaryotes. So here we had seen the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. Now further we talk about the plastid. What do you mean the plastid? Any of a class of small organelles in the cytoplasm. It is called the plastid. Now further we talk about the chloroplast. What do you mean by the chloroplast? Chloroplast, the part of a green plant cell, the part of a green plant cell that contains chlorophyll, in which photosynthesis take place. Here is the handling the process of the photosynthesis. It is called the chloroplast. It have also the color green pigments also here. That is why here is the handling the process of the photosynthesis. So this was the main characteristics of the cell. It is cell especially. So in the previous video we had seen the various type of the functions of the cell and cell division also. Now further, what is the specification of this all the topics? In today's video we are going to discuss in the depth. So let's we see further what we have today's content. So again we talk about the first the cell membrane structure. What is the cell membrane? Cell membrane, what is the definition of the cell membrane? Cell membrane, it means it is the envelope, it is the cover part of the cell. So that is why today we are going to see the cell membrane structure. What is the cell membrane structure? Children, can you see this picture? Yeah. So it is first have the globular proteins. It is the form of the proteins. It is glycoprotein, that is the carbohydrate sugar. It is the carbohydrate sugar. Now further it is the chain. Which type of the chain it is, children? It have the chain of the carbohydrate proteins. So this type of the chain are seen here. That is why it is called the chain. Why? Because it is there is the together accumulated so bunch of the sugar carbohydrate. So it is called the chain. Now further we see the hydrophilic heads. It is the hydrophilic hats. At a last it is called the hats upside. Now it is there is the phospholipid bilayer and it is the hydrophobic tail. Tail means at a last and head means upside, and it is the integral membrane proteins. It is the this type of the circle. Now it is called the integral membrane protein. Now further peripheral membrane protein. It is the peripheral membrane protein. It is the hydrophobic tail. Now it is cell membrane and receptor proteins. What is it? It is the receptor of the proteins. That is why it is called the cell membrane receptor protein. So it was the diagram of the cell membrane. Now further what we see? We are going to see about the cell membrane. What is the cell membrane? What is the definition of the cell membrane? So first I showed you this diagram. So now again I am going to start the definition. Thin, flexible envelope that surround the cell. Envelope type of the structure that surround the cell. It is called the cell membrane. Now further we talk, it allows the cell to change shape and the controls and what goes into and out of the cell. What is goes inside, what is remain outside. What is good, that is inside. What is there is a waste, that is remain the outside. Few type of the litter that remain the outside. What is the good, that goes into the inside. It is called the cell membrane. It is the special type of the definition. Now further we see it contains, what it contains? It contains carbohydrates, glycolipids, glycoproteins and the cholesterol, integral protein and peripheral protein and filaments of the cytoskeleton and cytoplasm extracellular fluid. It have also the extracellular fluid also. So it was the definition of the cell membrane. It was the various type of the functions of the cell membrane. Now let's see, proceed towards the nucleus. What is the nucleus and structure in the functions of the nucleus? So first, again kindly see this diagram. It is a diagram of the nucleus. Here is the nuclear envelope. It is envelope, it means the outer side of the coverage, it is called the envelope, and it is chromatin, and it is, there is the condense. Condense, it means the dense, collected together. Now it is the nucleolus. It is the part, the nucleus, inside that center part always it calls the nucleus. So it is the nucleolus, and it is the nucleus. Inside the nucleolus, it is the nucleus. So now further we see what is that nucleus. What is the definition of the nucleus? Definition of the nucleus contains genetic material. It is the specification of the nucleus. It have the specific generation material such as DNA, such as RNA. So DNA of the chromosome in the direct protein synthesize RNA in all cells except RBCs and the platelets, in untrue cells also having it. Now further we talk about the number. Usually it have the 1, it may be the 2 in the liver cell, and more than 2 also, such as the osteoskeleton, skeleton, and the various type of the muscle cell. It have the various type of the numbers. What is the number? Here we talking about the nucleus. So it have the 1, maybe the 2, and maybe the more than the 2. Now further we see the position. What is the location it have into the cell? So in the position central, either there is a acentric, either the basal. Acentric, it means the mid side of the central, sometime the outside. Suppose it is the center, a circle, so it is found here. It is the acentric, either there is the basal, sometime it is remain the center, it may be the few shifted from the center. Now further we talk about the stains. Once we stain it, we get the dark blue color. Why dark blue color? Because children, it have the very precious unit, that is the RNA and the DNA. That is why due to the presence of the RNA and DNA, it have the color change. That color is the most of the dark blue. Now further we talk about the shape. It have the shape rounded, it have the shape the oval, either there is the horseshoe, either the kidney shaped, either the segmented or the lobulated. It means it have the different type of the shapes, various type of the shape. Now LM, basophilic, it means the DNA and RNA have, and the vascular, it means the pale open face in nerve cell and active cell also. Condensed dark closed face in lymphocyte in active cells. What is this? LM. LM, it means whatever there is it is present, so it face remain the change. It is sometime active cell found and sometime inactive cell found. That is why it's given here is the different type of the shapes. Now further we see the cell wall. What do you mean by the cell wall? What is the cell wall? Cell wall is the outer layer of the cell. It is called the cell wall. It is the picture of the cell wall. It is the cellulose microphilic, middle lamella, it is the middle lamella, it is, there is the pectin, it is hemicellulous, it is plasma membrane, and it is the cell wall. What is cell wall? Cell wall, it means it is the outer coverage, so it is called the cell wall. So what is the definition of the cell wall? I showed you, here is the diagram of the cell wall. Again in this shown the cell wall diagram, and it is the outer coverage area. It is the cell wall. What is the cell wall? Inflexible. not flexible. Inflexible barrier. What is barrier here? Barrier, it means the stopper. In a plant cells, porous. Porous means few liquid can go through it from one place to another. That is the porous. What is the example of porous? Sponge, that is also have the porous. Cyclophones also. So functions, support and protection to plant cell, fungi, bacteria, and location. What is the location? This outside the plasma membrane. Where it is found? What is the location of it? It have the outside of the plasma membrane. So it is the cell wall. Cell membrane, it is the cytoplasm, it is the nucleus. Why it is here is the present the nucleus? Nucleus is most of the time found in the center body, center point. So it is the nucleus, it is the cytoplasm, and it is the cell membrane. Now further we are going to see the cytoplasm. What is the structure? What is the, before that I showed you the diagram of the cytoplasm. What is the function? Now I am going to explain you. Fluid between cell membrane and the organelles and contains water, salt, organic various type of the compounds, that is functions. What is the functions? As aids in the movement, ever it remain in the movement. Which type of the cell type? It have maybe the prokaryote, either the eukaryote, and plant and animal cell. Children, here especially I focus here, I want to draw your attention especially the cell types. Cell type, in our previous video I talked about the cell type, especially we had seen there is the animal cell and the plant cell, and here today we are discuss especially type of the eukaryotes and the prokaryotes. So this is the divided into two type, animal and plant cell. Here is the eukaryote and prokaryote cell. So that is why it is the cell type. So here we had seen the cytoplasm. Which type of the cytoplasm we have? Now further we see the, it is the nucleus. It is the center point of there is the nucleus. Now further we see it is cell, it is nucleus. What is it? It is chromosome. Children, as you know, what is the function of the chromosome? A part of the cell that send the messages, different type of the characters it sended, it have, and that type of the character it send from one generation to another. So chromosome are very precious, play the role in the human body. How many type of the chromosomes? How much we have? We have the 23 pair of the chromosome. 22 chromosomes remain the same, male and female, while the one only there is the remain the different from male to female. So now further we see here is the, it is the nucleus, here is the found the chromosomes. How there, children? It is, what is this? This type of shape, it is called the telomere. What is called it? Telomere. Now further here we see the DNA. What is it? It is the DNA. What is the DNA? DNA also found into the chromosome, and DNA and RNA both are, there is a messenger to send the various type of the functions. They play a special type of the role. Now further here it is also the chromosome, it is the gene, and it is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, it is the DNA. Now further we see what is a gene. What is the specification definition of the gene? Gene are segmented of DNA. Each gene contains information about a certain traits, various type of the traits. So it send the information, it give the information about the gene. Gene are the transcribed and the translated by the cell to make the proteins. Proteins created a visible phenotype. What is the example of this? It have the one gene might code for the eye color. It may be the change the eye color. How, children? I want to give the example. I brought especially for you to explain how the genes and the characters. So kindly please focus here. It is the structure of the gene, and it's send the, suppose it is the parent. Okay, so this parent, it said the green color. Here is the mention in this picture, the two colors, green and the bluish. So here we talk about the green. So this green color, so it's also the child have also the eyes is the green. It may be the bluish, it may be the blackish, it may be the any other type of the darkish color. So who transfer here? By the gene and the character. It carry the characters from parent to the children. So it is the specification of the gene. Now let's move ahead. The cells, in the previous video we had seen the animal cell and the plant cell. Here today we are going to specially define about the prokaryote cell and the eukaryote cells. So first here is the picture that you are watching. It is the prokaryote cell. It is the DNA strand nucleolide. It is the ribosome, it is the cystols, it is the plasma membrane, it is the plasma membrane, it is fimbrane, it is the this type of the flagellana, it is called the fibril, and it is the cell wall. First we seen it is capsule. What is the capsule? Here is the structure of the capsule. It is the flagellum. This type of structure, it have the flagellum. It also have such as cockroach have the antenna. Here we talk about the prokaryote. It have the long type of ribbon type of structure. It is called the flagellum. Now further we are going to see the prokaryote cell. What is the function of the prokaryote cell? So organisms with prokaryote cell are called the prokaryotes. What is the definition of the prokaryotes? The organism with prokaryotic cell are called the prokaryotes. Organism without a cell nucleus, without karyon. Karyon, it means here is the nucleus. So without nucleus or any other membrane bound organelles, in most are the unicellular, but some prokaryotes are the multicellular. Earliest and the most primitive form of life. Primitive, it means here is the earliest, it means the ancient time, very ago time we talk form of life on earth. Approx how much? 3 billion years ago. Once we get it, 3 billion years ago, it means very past. So we can say in the another word, what we can say in the another word? First life on earth. How? The first life on earth, it is the prokaryotes. They start the life on the earth. So it is called the prokaryotes. Here you can watch, here is the various type of the prokaryotes, and it is the picture of the, this is also the prokaryotes. It is also the picture of the different type of the prokaryotes as we had seen in our previous slide. Now let's move forward and see the further things. First, this is also shown a picture, but which type of the picture? First I want to ask you, it is the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, it have the nucleus. Prokaryote haven't the nucleus. So here we talk about the eukaryotic cells. A eukaryotic is an organism whose cells contain complex structure enclosed with membranes, and eukaryotes may more formally and be referred to as the taxon, and eukaryotes, it means eukaryota, also it is called the eukaryote, and the defining membrane bound structure that sets eukaryotic cells. And apart from prokaryotic cell is the nucleus or the nuclear envelope, and with which the genetic material is carried, in the presence of nucleus gives the eukaryotes and their name, which comes from the Greek. What is this? It is come from the Greek letter EU. EU, it means the good. What is EU? EU, it means here is the EU. EU, it means the good. Now further we see, and there is the Kepion, it is the Greek word. So it means in the English carry on. In the English carry on. It means such a nut shape. And most eukaryotic cell also contain other membrane bound organelles such as mitochondria, chloroplast and the Golgi apparatus. All large complex organisms are eukaryotes, including animals, plants and the fungi. And the group also includes many unicellular organisms. Now further we see the more specific function about the eukaryotes. Eukaryotes appear to be monophyletic, and the mono it means the single, and so make up one of three domains of the life. It make the various type of the domains of the life, and the two other domains bacteria, archery are also there is the prokaryotes, and how none of the above features. Eukaryotes represent a tiny minority of all living things. Tiny, it means the smallest, and even in a human body there are 10 times more microbes than the human cell. However, due to their much larger size, their collective worldwide biomass is estimated at about equal to that of the prokaryotes. So here we had seen about the eukaryotic cell. Now further we see prokaryote and the eukaryotic cell. What is the prokaryotic cell and what is the eukaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell which lack a well defined nucleus is called the prokaryotic cell. Example, bacterial cell, bacteria it haven't the nucleus, and the blue green algae. You heard no this name blue green algae also in the 7th class. So it haven't also the nucleus. So that is why cell which not have the nucleus, it is the prokaryote. And first type of the cell, it is also the prokaryotes. And here we see the eukaryotic cell having a well defined nucleus is called the eukaryotic cell. Example, plants, animal cells. Plants and the animal cells. Now further we talk about the organism made up of prokaryotic cell are called the prokaryote. Example, bacterial cell and the blue green algae. And eukaryotic, it means the organism consist of eukaryotic cells are called the eukaryote. Example, plants and the animals. So here we had seen the special type of the characteristics about the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cells. Now further we see the eukaryotes and the prokaryotes diagram. What is the difference between the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes? Eukaryotes, it have also the nucleus, mitochondria. This is the nucleoli. It is the endoplasmic reticulum, and this is the ribosomes. It is a small type of the structure. It is the ribosomes. Now here we see the prokaryote. What is the difference? Here is, are you watching? Here is there any nucleus? No. Your answer is the no. You can not see here any type of the nucleus. Can you watch? Here is there any nucleus? Yes. Why? Why here is the found? Because eukaryotes have the nucleus, while the prokaryotes they haven't the nucleus, while it is found the nucleus. It is the basic difference, children. Kindly be remember this. It is a basic difference between the nucleus. It found in only nucleus in the only the eukaryotes, while in the prokaryotes haven't the nucleus. Now let's see the further what is the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes functions more. Children, it is a very special topic. That is why I give you the specifications points. So first, lack a membrane bounded organelles, that is prokaryote. Eukaryote possess membrane bounded organelles. Ribosomes are the only organelles, 70 S, and multiple organelles including ribosomes, 80 S. Now further, genetic material floats in the cytoplasm, DNA and RNA, while here is the membrane covered genetic material. Here is the only, no need to others, membrane that covered the genetic material, while here is the what is the genetic material, it is very specific characteristics, while here is the material floats in cytoplasm, that is the DNA and the RNA. Now let us proceed towards further plastid. What is the definition of the plastids? So first you watch this picture, further we are going to see what is the plastid. Here is the shown different type of the structure. This circular structure, can you watching now? This circular type of the structure, that is the globules. It is called the globule. Its shape have the such a egg, so it is called the globule, and it is have the plastids. So further we discuss in the depth plastid. What is the plastid? Plastids, double membrane bound organelles involved in the synthetic and storage of food, only found in the plants. Later we talk about the chloroplast, are found in carrot root cells in our field with the organ pigment carotene. Now further we see the chloroplast using light energy to make carbohydrates and from the carbon dioxide in the water. It is the chloroplast. Now further we see chloroplast. Here is the mention, it is the plant cell. Where is the found the chloroplast? In the plant cell. Why only in the plant cell? Because plant cell have the green color. Why the green color? Because it make the food owns how its own due to the process of the photosynthesis. So it means very simple message we are getting by this definition, and we get a simple conclusion that during the photosynthesis plants can prepare their own food, while we are the human being, we won't be able to prepare our own food. Why? Because we haven't the chloroplast in our body. Suppose we have, then very simply no need to do any type of the hard work. So plant cell, they can prepare their own food prepared due to the they have the chloroplast. And what is the structure of the chloroplast? It is the lamella, it is the thylakoid, it is the granule, it is the chloroplast DNA, plastoglobule, ribosome, starch granule, and it is the stroma. It is the stroma. It is inner membrane. It is intermembrane space, and it is the outer membrane. Outer membrane also have. Now chloroplast. What is chloroplast? So usually found in plant cell, not into the animal cell. Contains green chlorophyll. Its color is the green. Why the color? How the leaf green color? Because leaf have the present the chlorophyll. And where photosynthesis take place, which process holding here children? Here is the holding the photosynthesis take place. That is why it is color have the green due to the chloroplast. It is shown in this picture, the plant cell chloroplast. It is the outer membrane, it is the inner membrane, it is the stroma lamella, it is the thylakoid, it is the stroma, it is the granuma, stalk of the thylakoids, and it is shown the figure. So it is the chloroplast. Now further we talk about the white blood cell. What is WBC? What is WBC? White blood cells. It have the different type of the shapes. White blood cell WBC, and it have the different type of the colors, their functions also. White blood cells. So it is monocytic, it is eosinophil, it is basophil, it is lymphocytes, it is the neutrophil. So it is here the various type of the kinds of the WBC. Where they found the WBC? In our own body. We human being have the WBC, and this WBC cells also the follow the different type of the roles. It is play a different type of the precious roles in our body. So what is the definition? Blood cell that fight infection. Children, whenever we suffer with the any type of the infection, then who have our protector, our body's protector, who in our general life our parents ever come for our protection, in the school, teachers, principals and others, okay. But here our own body, who inside remain and who fight against the any type of the infection, so that there is the fight the WBC. Elevated, there is a leukocytosis and the decreased leukopenia. So it is the leukocytosis and it is the leukopenia. Now further we see the RBC. What do you mean by the RBC? Red blood cells. It is called the RBC. Where it is found? It is also found in us human body. Blood cells, RBC. It is monocyte, lymphocyte. Now further we see the neutrophil. It is eosinophil, basophil, platelets, erythrocyte, and the red blood cell. Indices are measurements that describe the size and the oxygen and carrying protein. What is the special role of the RBC? It carrying the oxygen, hemoglobin content of the red blood cell. The indices are used to help in the differential diagnosis of the anemia, and they are also called the red cell. Absolute values are the erythrocyte indices. Now further we see difference between the RBC and the WBC. It have the platelets, white blood cell, red blood cells. Now further we see what is the basic difference between the RBC and WBC. It is very precious, children. Why? Because it is a part of our human body. This type of cells play a very special type of the role in our human body. So first we have see the red blood cells. These are the smaller in size and the more numerous in the numbers. Numerous means the vary, and number of RBCs per cubic millimeter of blood is 5 million. Here we see that these are the larger in size and fewer in the number. That is, number of WBCs per cubic millimeter of blood is only the 8,000. How much, children? 8,000. Here we talk about these are the non-nucleated. What is RBC? And there is the bioconcave disc-like cells. Here we see the WBC are nucleolide in the amoeboid cells and keep on changing their shape. RBCs contain hemoglobin and WBC do not contain hemoglobin. And RBC can't diffuse out through capillary wall. WBC can diffuse out through the capillary wall. RBC help in the gaseous transport. How the RBC help? It is a special type of the character. RBC help in the gaseous transport, while the WBC help in the killing bacteria and foreign particle. Foreign particle, it means whatever there is a particles come from outside. It means the environment, they try to come inside our body. That is who kill? That kill the WBC and help the killing the bacteria and the foreign particle. It means no one come inside our body. Why? Because there is the one safety guard. Who is the safety guard? WBC present, and there is the always protect us. So RBC settled together to form the rolex, that is the stake over each other due to the abnormal shape. WBC do not form the rolex. Now further we see the cross section of the plant cell wall, cell membrane, vacuole. Previous also the video I showed you this section of the plant cell: nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, chloroplast, mitochondria. But again I am going to say you because it is also the relevant. And Golgi body, it is the ribosome, smooth ER, it is rough ER, it is smooth. What is the basic difference? Rough and smooth. There is the fewer, there is the made the smooth, it is made the greasy type of the things, and rough, it made the different type of proteins, lipids and other type of the things, and centrosome, amyloblast and the cytoplasm. Now further we are going to see the organelles of the plants, and what is the definition of the organelles of the plants. First is the chromatin. What is the chromatin? Combination of the DNA and the proteins that make up the nucleus of plant cell, and because these organelles regulate the plant. Now further we talk about the chloroplast, organelle that conduct photosynthesis and capture the light energy for this synthesis chemical reaction. Mitochondrion, major producer of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, it is the ATP. And because this molecule is the energy that plants get from the glucose, they make into the mitochondria. Here I want to ask one more special type of the fact, that mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell body. It is also the mitochondria. Now further we see the animal cell. It also shown in the previous video, but once again I want to ask because this topic also the relevant. It is nucleus, it is nuclear envelope, it is nucleus, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, and it is the mitochondrion, cell membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, it is the structure of lysosome, it is the ribosome, it is the picture of the animal cell. Now further, what is the parts of the animal cell? First is the vacuole, storage sac for the food, waste and the water. It is the mitochondria, produce energy in a cell. Lysosome, cell recycler. Ribosome, make proteins. Nucleus, control center of a cell. And endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, in the previous picture I asked you ER, it have the two types, smooth and the rough. So endoplasmic reticulum, transport system. What is the function? It's especially the transportation system of the different type of the fluids. Now cytoplasm, gel like substance. It is have the gel like substance found in the cell, and cell membrane surround the cell material. It is the cell membrane. I asked in the beginning the cell membrane. It also have the outer side of the cover area. It is the cell membrane. So here we had seen the various type of the functions and structures, specification of the various type of the cells, different the parts. So till that we meet in the next video. Till that, bye, take care yourself. Thank you for watching.